everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2025 Lexus IS 350 in infrared. This is the F Sport Series 3. Under the hood, you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 311 horsepower. You have premium triple LED headlamps. You also have 19-inch forged BBS alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. On your door panel, you have your memory seats, power windows, side mirrors, and door lock. Beside your steering wheel, you have your windshield deicer, automatic high beams, as well as your panoramic view monitor. Down below, you have your hood and trunk button. You have F Sport black leather interior throughout with 10-way power driver's seat. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters and your hands-free controls and cruise control. You have your multi-information display. You have your infotainment display that has your radio, media, navigation, as well as your climate controls. Down below, you have your manual climate and radio controls. You have heated and ventilated seat options for both driver and passenger, as well as a heated steering wheel. You have your gear shifter, mode selector, your trackpad, as well as your cup holders. Above, you have your sunroof controls. Your center console offers 2 USB charging ports. In the backseat center console, you have your armrest that doubles as cup holders. Your rear seat is manual folding and reclining. You have a spacious trunk, and underneath you have your spare tire. Your trunk is manual closing. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.